Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a lead in Pipedrive. Let's get straight to it. A lead in Pipedrive is a potential opportunity that isn't fully qualified yet. Keeping leads separate from deals helps you stay organized without cluttering your main pipeline. With that in mind, start by opening your Pipedrive workspace and looking to the left-hand sidebar. Find the section labeled Leads and click it. This takes you to the area dedicated to early-stage prospects. Next, open the Leads inbox. Think of this as your staging area where new leads live until you're ready to move them forward. Once you're inside the Leads inbox, go to the top left of the screen and click the plus icon. This is the button used to create a new lead. When the form opens, you can start entering your lead details. Give your lead a clear and descriptive title so it's easy to understand at a glance. A good format is the company name along with the interest or product. Add the person's name and, if applicable, the organization they represent. Then include contact details like email or phone number, making sure everything is accurate for future communication. If your account includes an owner field, assign the lead to yourself or the appropriate team member. This helps maintain accountability. You can also add labels or status tags if your workspace uses them. These make it easier to sort and prioritize leads later. If there's a notes section, include useful context like where the lead came from, what they're interested in, or any important timing details. Keep the information relevant and professional. Once everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your new lead is now added to the Leads inbox and ready for follow-up. You can open it any time to review details, update information, or move it into your pipeline once it becomes a qualified deal. To quickly recap, you opened the Leads section, went into the Leads inbox, clicked the plus icon, filled in the lead details, and saved it. Simple, fast, and organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.